Hi, my name is Amit Kuril. My son Aditya Kuril, he is in grade 7. He's with Suyog Sunderji Wisdom School since first standard. And I have seen lot of improvement in his academics, his co-curricular activities, and his behavior. So he has improved a lot and lot over so many years. And I really thankful to the Suyog Sunderji Wisdom School for being a like such a good school in this Wagholi area where we have like so many schools, but Suyog Sundarji is one of the outstanding school where students can not just learn the academics, but they get a chance to grow and they get learn about so many other activities, field trips. The school is organizing field trips, which is one of the best and the need for the today's era where students can go to the and talk to the outsiders on a field trip. They can go to the post office, banks, malls, and bamboo trip, like where recently students went and they learned how the people are making baskets and other stuffs using the bamboo sticks. So that was one of the great initiative conducted by the Suyog Sandaji Wisdom School, and I really want to see such more activities in the next academic year. So I wish all the best for the Suyog Sundarji Wisdom School and the students. Thank you so much.